4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Don't be mad.
Here we go. Make your partners. Are you ready? Let's pick it up.
Look what I got. Woo! So right now we are right here and we need to be right here. 13, 13, 2. So I think we go this way. Yeah, 13. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're doing this completely different. We are taking our time today. Taking it easy. Alright, we found it. 13, 13, 2. This is our key. Our card key. So we're going to get in and take a picture and stuff. So right now we are at 13, 13, 2. Pretty easy number to remember. We're going to do a quick room tour. I mean, it's an interior room. It's pretty nice. Really spacious in here compared to other interior rooms that I've been in. Very nice. We'll go a little bit further into this and take my backpack off. But yeah, there's tons of space in here. You use your key. It's pretty cool in here too, by the way. They have a make your room, do not disturb. It's like really cool in here. I'm really surprised. This is our bathroom. Pretty nice bathroom we have here. Really nice. It's a little tight in here, but I'm alright. I can make this work. No doubt about it. This is the thermostat. Nice, decent sized mirror. We also got the Bon Voyage package. So, big TV. Really nice. Bunk bed for Chloe. Another mirror. Get closet space. Closet space. Got more closet space. Bunch of hangers. We got trash can. Little bench. You got your hairdryer. Drawers, which I'm probably going to use. Drawer space. And then a refrigerator. Now, they do have this stuff with drinks and stuff that does cost money. Just be advised. We have the cost for the drinks as well. Ice holder cups. This is our stateroom attendant. Raul. I'm gonna ask his name. I want to make sure I get it correct. That's for the app. Do breakfast orders, stuff like that. This is a really nice room. Really comfy. Let's see. Book light. Little shelf for your area. Over here, it seems like it only has one USB on the left side. We get a little closer here. Yeah, so it looks like it's only one USB on the side. So far so good. Really we really enjoy MSC, and we're having a really good time so far. We're kind of taking it slow. We're just taking our time, enjoying ourselves, and just taking it easy, you know. Oh, I forgot to show the plugs. So you get the 2 European outlets, you get 2 USB outlets, and then the regular outlets. But yeah, we're just taking it easy. But our luggage is already here, so we are just going to, I'm gonna bring all the luggage in and then sort through it, and we're gonna go to the deck party next. So stay tuned until we get to the deck party. We're gonna have a blast. We're gonna have so much fun. But yeah, see you soon. So I just noticed something as I was putting out the bags and everything. This turns. That's awesome. So if you want to just, some people after they're done, they like to have the TV on or whatever. They're gonna have this. Interesting. So I'm going to pick up Chloe, and I somehow came across this area. This looks so cool. You can bring your kids here. This ship particularly was built for bringing family, I feel like. It's a really nice place to enjoy with your family, really. And the arcade here is huge. I would suggest booking a cruise on MSC Seascape if you have children or, you know, family. If you want to bring a family along, this is cool. I'm actually, to be honest with you, I'm kind of lost right now, but I'll make it over there. Really, the art here is really what's getting to me. Just the artwork and the architecture and everything else. Whoa! That was an employee entrance. This is cool. Alright, let me try to find a, I don't know. It's a maze. Alright, let's see. Let's see. This is really cool. Alright, I'm gonna try to go through the arcade. I know we just backtracked, but this looks like so much fun. Alright, let's see if I can get through here. I know you can come through here and go through the arcade. The arcade's right here. Hall of Games. This place is huge. And it's like, there's nobody here. There's nobody here. This is crazy. Bring your kids here too. They have the VR Moto.
Pick up the helmet and turn up the
Also the Formula Racer. I know NCL Encore has something like that, the Racer, the Formula One. I think this is where I'm supposed to be. Alright, let's see.